Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw E for elephant. First, I'm drawing letter E. Trying to draw and paint with me. Now I'm drawing an elephant, a shape of its head, and a big ears. I'm drawing its nose and followed by its body and legs. Finally, its tail. Let's draw an egg right here. Finally, I'm drawing an eggplant. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Red. I use red color for letter E. I love drawing and painting so much. Let's paint an elephant. I use pink color for its head. Elephants are big animals. Awesome! Light blue. Yellow. Blue for its body. Elephant begins with letter E. It looks so great. Brown. Orange. Egg begins with letter E. Purple. Eggplant begins with letter E. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Green. It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.